Hello friends, welcome to the introduction session of VCE internship program, or we can say VCE's exclusive internship program. Vardhan Consulting Engineers is a consulting firm. We provide consultancy to energy projects. We provide energy engineering consultancy and management consultancy to energy projects. This is about VCE. Now, few years back, the founders of VCE they start thinking of starting a society feedback kind of program where they give the training, they give the corporate learning training to young students, engineers and management students to fill the gap between the college and the corporate. And their prime focus is to the core sector engineers, electrical, mechanical, civil and energy engineering. Apart from that prime focus, they have the focus to the finance management student, because most of the consultants working in VCE or associated with VCE somehow, they are also very good in finance. So that's why they started this internship program, selecting of the candidates and giving them proper training, proper corporate exposure. So in past 2 years, this internship is getting very much successful. A lot of interns got joined VCE. They shared their experience to the other students, and then other students also joined VCE and get the proper knowledge. So now VCE is trying to build up a online training portal where people can log in and start learning related to internship, related to any technical training program. So let's talk about the specifics about this internship program what we are talking right now. The specific of the internship program is very simple. It's for core engineering branches and finance student, MBA finance, but it is not limited to these people. If you are from any other branch but you have the interest in the project topic what VCE is offering, you can do this internship. There is no issue in that. The duration of the internship is 6 to 8 weeks, depends on the college. Some college wants 45 days, some want 8 weeks, but it won't go beyond 8 weeks. This internship. There is another major project internship that is for 6 months, that is separate. The location of the internship is work from home. It's an online based internship. Okay. So you don't need to physically go any office. Eligibility is any UG or PG student. We don't allow any pass out candidates to be a part of internship, but with few cases, with few exceptions, we allow the pass out candidate also to do the internship, because for us there is no need for a pass out candidate to do internship, right? They can do any training program. Now project topics, there are two groups of the project topic. Group 1 is for management student, project finance, case study analysis, climate change. Group 2 is for an engineering student, solar PV, waste to energy, electric vehicle, green building, etc. There is a corporate skill development program is also attached to this internship that people need to do separately, because for us we believe that if you have the corporate, if you want to enter in a corporate, you should understand how the corporate environment is, how they work, what are the things you should say, what are the things you don't say, and all these things. The benefits and the perks of the internship is that this internship program is absolutely free for the student. There is no charge for the internship program. They don't need to pay anything. Okay. But like if the student want to have any kind of special administrative benefit, they want to have a special additional benefit related to the admin, not related to the knowledge of this internship, they require to pay a small admin fee. Otherwise it is free. That I'm gonna mention right now. Okay, so work profile of the internship, what interns need to do, we can show you next. How to apply, it's very simple. There is a small registration form on our website. You can fill your details and apply. The selection procedure is the college-wise shortlisting, online interview and all. Sometimes we ditch the selection procedure, select everybody so that everybody get a chance to learning. Sometimes, yes, we do the online interview process and all. Okay, it depends. Before we start and talking to you about what you can get in this internship, what are the knowledge you can get, exposure you get, I would like to tell you that what are the things you are not getting in this internship. So let's start the pointer. The first pointer here is we don't provide any industrial visit. So if you are thinking out this is not an internship, this is some industrial visit also, you need to understand the internship, industrial visit, vocational training, all these things are different world, all these things are different. So don't expect this internship to have industrial visit also. We don't provide. It is not a vocational training. It is definitely, don't think that is a VT, vocational training. So after this internship you start learning to do something, some vocational thing, right? That is for more for diploma or some engineering student, but here it is not applicable. The third is no lecture, no tutorial. See, we are professionals, we are not professors, so we don't give lectures on all the topics. Don't expect that, okay, you join this internship program. So the fourth thing that we are not providing here is a software training. Okay, if you want to get trained on a particular software, you can go on YouTube and find out tutorials. Go on Udemy, find out tutorials and try to learn that software. We are not a software training provider. Fifth thing is we don't having any events or contest. It is not an event contest kind of internship. Sixth is there is no report reading. In a lot of interns, the people go and they give a report, and you need to read the report and make a report from that report. We are not doing that. Seventh thing is no exams, test or gradings. So yes, we are providing you some task, but there is no exam for this in this internship. We are all professional people, so there is no exam, there is no test or grading system in this internship. No marketing work. A lot of time people join an internship company, a company which is providing internship, and later on they got trapped in some marketing work, and share to many other people, do this, try to get more customer, more trainers and all these things. We don't want that. This our focus is on the project only, like not to influence or convince other people to join the training. There is no sales or support work, right? You are not joining this training internship program to support us on something or sales, doing the something sales and support to the team. There is no clueless theoretical study. There are a lot of times when interns join a company, they give us some kind of study and they are doing that study, but it's completely clueless what study they are doing. There is no for a fake certification. If you want to join this internship so that you pay the money and get the certificate tomorrow, we are not like that, please. Okay, no time pass task. We don't give any task, to go ahead, meet them, and to be stand in our stall and all these things. So that kind of time pass task we don't give. So these are the things it is not available in this internship. If you are looking for anything like this, please don't join our internship. But if you are looking for real internship, real corporate exposure, please join. Now in this slide we are going to tell you that what are the things we are actually providing in this internship and what are the things you are expected to learn during this internship program. The first thing is what you are going to provide is the corporate way of learning. How? In till now what you have studied, it's an academic way of learning. You entered in a new class, you get a books, you read that books, you give the examination, you get grades 65%, 75%, 55%, and after that you pass that examination and go to the next class, get next books. Most of the time you don't have the idea what you have studied, how it is going to help you in your real life, real career. But you studied because it is in a syllabus and you need to pass this examination. But in case of corporate way of learning, the way of learning is like 1 or 0. You understand the way or you don't understand the way. If you don't understand the way, try to learn once more time. If you understand the way, yes, you are done. So either you are scoring 100 or either you are scoring 0. Second thing is, whatever you are studying, whatever learning you are getting, that you are going to implement in the actual world. That is corporate way of learning. Second thing what you are going to get is in this internship is highly experienced mentor, highly experienced HR team. Okay, so when you interact with them, definitely you will learn a lot of new things. Okay, and they will be with you all the time. Whenever you need them, you send them a message, they will reply and all this thing. Third thing is industry based project. We have a lot of project which is industry based. Okay, mind you, we are not providing any live projects to you. Why we are not providing live projects? Because first thing, we cannot share the data of the live project to you because it is covered under NDA with our clients. Second thing is, even if we share the data, even if the client allowed, then what are the contribution that you can provide to the live project? So that you can provide a contribution, we need to train you first. So that's why in spite of having a live project, we are providing an industry based project. It is exactly same as the live project, but the client name is different. So, and you will definitely enjoy this industry based project. You can make a major or minor project on it. And this fourth thing is corporate skill development. Not only the corporate skill development program, but the way you interact with the people, the way you learn, you definitely your corporate skills got a lot of developed. Fifth thing is work from home flexibility. Yes, it is a work from home internship, but it is very flexible. We give you the task, we give you a deadline, you need to finish the task in that deadline. So there's nothing called 9 to 5 or you need to be ready on that Zoom call or something like that. Oh, even if there is a Zoom call, doubt clearing session or something, a live interaction session, we record the call and share it to the interns. So that whenever they have time, they can go through the call, go through the recording. Sixth is feedback reporting to the college. See, this is not compulsory from our side, but it is compulsory from most of the colleges that whosoever is doing internship in any other firm, the college get the feedback from the firm. So feedback reporting is already there to the college. The seventh thing is corporate reporting. The fourth task, the final task of the internship is preparing a corporate report, and we are very specific about that. Very, very. We have a very particular instructions to make that report. If you don't follow the instruction, we will not give you any certificate. So corporate reporting is something that we are very specific and we are very focused. So definitely when you do this internship, you get a hands-on learning about how to prepare a report which is up to the corporate standard. Eighth, verified certification. As I told you that verified certification is available on additional request. If you want a verified certification, you pay a small admin fee and you get the certification. Otherwise, you will only get an email intimation from us that you have completed the internship. So it's up to you. If you need, you apply. If you don't need, you no need to apply for additional request. It's up to you. What interns can expect to learn from this internship is that modeling analysis. We have project related to financial modeling and the analysis of the financial models. Second thing is corporate strategy. We have projects like case study analysis where people understand the different corporate strategies and how they implement it and how they failed. Third is saving our planet. Yes, it is very important. We have projects like green building or waste to energy, which is definitely helpful to save the planet. fourth thing is calculation and designing. We have projects like electric vehicle or solar photovoltaic power plant where people do a lot of calculations, a lot of designing. The fifth thing is very important, that is applicable to all the projects: techno-managerial approach. Techno-managerial approach means any approach which is added up as a technical side and managerial side both. Sixth, which is called engineering solutions. So the engineering solutions are, we have some projects where you are supposed to provide engineering solutions to large cities. Okay, so these are the things you are expected to learn from this internship, and people learned a lot of things from this internship apart from whatever we have not mentioned. So let's take a look on project to project basis that what are the things there in each project. Okay, so we have two groups of project. One group of projects is management projects, second group of project is engineering projects. So the management projects, we have project finance, modeling analysis, case study analysis, and climate change and sustainable development practices. Project finance, as the name suggests, it's a part of finance where a particular project is getting financed through non-recourse debt. So how do the financial modeling for that kind of raising of funds, how to do the analysis of the financial modeling, everything is included in project finance. It is very interesting topic, and all the people who have any interest in finance, please join this project. Okay, this project finance in project topic is very good for students who are doing MBA in finance, BCom, MCom, economics. But those who are doing engineering, it's not very suitable for them because it's more of finance. But still, if they want to do, if they have very much interest, they can do it. We are not stopping them. Second thing is case studies and analysis. This is also something related to management students. We provide you 3 case studies. You need to do analysis of 3 case studies. The first case study is, and the case studies are selected from the Indian corporate list past 20 years, only corporate case studies. Okay, not political or something like that. So case study analysis, you need to do analysis of the cases which is failure, success, or a scam in nature. A lot of strategy things you need to understand, you are gonna understand in case study analysis. So this is also a very good, very important project topic. The third project topic is also important: climate change and sustainable development. Now what happened, that why I kept this climate change and sustainable development in management projects, because a lot of time whenever people talk about climate change or sustainable development, greenhouse effect and all these things, they thought it's a technical science based topic. The climate change is an issue for polar bears only. It is not an issue for normal people living in large cities like Bangkok, Mumbai and all. They think they are doing whatever they are doing is correct. Okay, but in reality, climate change is the outcome of everyone's contribution. The first thing, that means everybody who is sitting in this planet is contributing to the climate change, more or less. Second thing is, it's not like that everybody is only contributing. Climate change is affecting everybody, more or less. So every single individual is contributing to the climate change, and climate change is affecting every single individual's life. So we are not here to analyze for the individual's life and effect. We are here to analyze the effect of climate change on a large or mid-sized corporates, and what are the things they can do, spend money on sustainable development practices. So if you are a manager, if you understand what is the climate change things are going on for any corporate, you can give them suggestions to implement the sustainable development practices so that they can reduce their carbon footprints. That's why this project topic become very important. So these three project topics are management projects. To do all this management project, you don't need to have a very deep technical or engineering knowledge. You need to have a managerial knowledge or strategical knowledge. Now let's talk about the engineering based project. Solar photovoltaic power plant, electric vehicle, waste to energy and green building. To take these projects, you need to have technical knowledge, engineering. So first project is solar photovoltaic simulation and designing. Here we are gonna you are gonna get the knowledge of how to design solar photovoltaic power plant, large size, grid connected, megawatt scale power plants. This project is very good for electrical engineering students, electronics engineering, and other energy, solar, energy engineering or mechanical engineers guys can do this internship if they have a very good knowledge of basic electrical engineering. Second project is electric vehicle techno-commercial analysis. Since its name is electric vehicle doesn't mean that it's an electrical based project. It is an automobile product. Electric vehicle is an automobile product. So it's an automobile. So definitely its project is based on mechanical engineering. But yes, electrical, electronics, civil can do this project, but they need to have a basic knowledge of engineering, mechanics and basic mechanical engineering. The third project is waste to energy, municipal solid waste management. So as you know that there are so many of tons of municipal solid waste are creating every single day, especially a developing country like India, like 1 lakh tons of waste got created every single day. So how to manage those wastes? It's all about in this project topic. Good for any branch of engineering, but should and must be an engineer. And mechanical, electrical, civil, chemical can apply in this waste to energy. But if you are from any other branch also, if you are interested in MSW, you can apply and do that. The fourth is green building. As the name suggests, green building calculation and ratings. Good for civil engineers, architectures, but electrical, mechanical, civil and mechanical and energy engineering students also can apply, but they should have a small solar passive architecture knowledge. So these are all about the projects what we are offering, project topics. So when you enter in this our internship program, we will give you a list of the project titles. That in every project type of topics there are few project titles which is exact industrial application of that project topic. Okay, so you will get a list and you need to select one and start working on it. That is how it is done. The basic terms and condition, yes, it's an online based internship. You should have a smartphone or laptop, internet connection. Selection procedure different from different time. We want you to go through our policy details, the terms and conditions before you apply or after apply before you accept the offer. You can visit our website techvardhan.com/internship and get the details of filling up the form and all. So guys, our internship program is very much focused on your development. It's very much focused on your overall development to fill the gap between corporate and college. So please apply. Till now, about 3 to 4,000 students already finished the internship. About 10,000 students are enrolled in this program from 3 to 500 colleges across India and some from Indonesia and other countries also. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, anything, you need help, please feel free to contact our team. Thank you very much.